today we are going to talk about what is tables, then fields, then types of fields, attributes, and how to design form. Okay.
Okay.
So let me open my instance. Okay, let's open your instance. Could you please tell me your that instance number?
Dev 15672.
15672. It's a Shiva's. This is Shiva's instance. So it's working now. Okay. So as I told you, today we are going to talk about. Oh my God! I haven't given you admin role. I was talking about one thing, right? Like that rules and all.
Yes.
And during our module and application session, I told you whenever we are mentioning any role, then only you will see the applications under your left navigation, and the self-service is the only application which will be available for the end user. End user
Okay.
In the sense the user who don't have any access, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So same thing is happening here. Like for your user ID, I haven't given any password a role, right? That's why you could see only two applications here, like self-service and my app.
Why
so
you
don't. Yeah, we'll give you now. We'll give
Okay.
you. Yeah. So just one moment. Let me log out and let me log in with your admin role. Admin and what was the password, man? Service. I forgot that password. Yeah. What was that?
Is it your password or my one?
Admin. It is to be
service@99 or Servicenow at 123.
at 123. Yeah.
Capital S.
Okay. Oh yeah, you remember. Great. Okay. So
No, No, I was just wrote in a notepad.
Okay, that's fine. So I was talking about roles also, right?
Yes.
Roles in the sense if you want to define some hierarchy in your instance, like that one person who should have this axis, other person should have different axis, you can define that using different roles, right?
Yes.
So it's like your organizational roles, that number of different people's roles, and according to those roles, they may differ with the axis, right? Similar concept is here with the roles. Okay. And I was talked about this container, right, where you can see plus button, and if you want to add any content, you can do that. We talked about this, right? Everything.
Yes. The home pages we can switch the home pages from the right side panel, and global search and application search.
And what is this?
On and off. It's like reloading the page, giving the time frame, like how much at what time it should reload or quick reload.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. So you remember all those steps. Okay, so let's start with the tables first. Then I was talking about interrelation between application model and table, right?
Yes.
So what is that?
Table to module, module to application. Application should contain a module, and module should contain a table.
Yeah.
Table should contain data.
Yes. Yeah, you remember everything, right? Okay. So let's start with the creation of table. Okay. Otherwise, let's implement your assignment here. At the end of this session, I'll give you another assignment. So I was talking about you need to create which management, ticket management, right? So application name will be ticket management. Your your module name will be ticket creator.
Okay.
Okay, and you should have some table, right, where you can save all those records. I mean, what are the
Yes.
tickets you are creating? Those should be saved in some particular table, right?
Yes.
So we are going to create one table, which will have a name called ticket. Okay.
Okay.
And we are going to add some fields in that, like ticket number will be there. Okay. So ticket number will be there, ticket from will be there, from to fields will be there, and which will contain some values which will be drop downs. Okay. We are going to add one date field also there, like on which day you want to travel. And we are going to add name field there, and similarly, what else you want?
Contact.
Sorry?
Contact, email.
Yeah, contact, email. So we can add those stuffs. So let's. So what should be my first step? You tell me.
Under system definitions, we should create a table.
I should create one application first. Then I should create table, right? Then thereafter I should create one. I should design that form first. Then I'll create one module to create that ticket, right?
Okay.
So that should be the flow. Whenever you are creating any custom application, then you should follow this path. Like you should create one application, then you should define one table. Okay. And after defining that table, you should design your form, like how your form would see to the users and all. Okay. And thereafter you should define your module, so that you can show different things under your application, and by using those links, user can use your module and all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's create one application. So from where we should create application?
Under system definition.
So application. For that I need to search in left navigation. Under system definition, I'll be having application menu options, right?
Yes.
Once I click that, it will show up what are the application available in my system. So now I want to create one new application, right? So I'll be hitting on new button, and I'm going to create one ticket management. Okay, management. Okay. So it will create one application, right? Which will be ticket management. So so tell me the significance of this role. What it will do?
Ticket management will means this application can be accessed by a specified person.
Yeah. If you specify role here, then that application will be visible to the person whoever having those roles. Okay. Otherwise, if you are not giving any role, then that application will be visible to end user also.
Everyone.
Okay. Yeah. So as you are creating this application, so it will count under category of custom application. So you can see when I'm hovering here on some of the applications.
Yeah, we can see the predicted test, like.
Yeah. So you can enter here, like under hint, like ticket. Welcome to ticket management. Welcome to. Or whatever you want to do. Okay. So I just hit on create button. Now it oh my god, I should have told one more feature before this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me talk about another one concept. I forgot that to tell you. I called update set. Okay, before creating any updates or anything, you should define one update set. I was talking about that update set, right? Like it's whenever you will be doing your development work in your environment, right? So what you want to do,
Yes.
you want to move that particular dev work to other instance, like your production, or which might be your test instance, right? For that
Yes.
you require some container. Then that
Okay.
container will nothing but your update set, okay?
Okay.
Whenever you are doing any customization, those updates should captured in your own update set. Otherwise, it will be captured in default update set. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
according to standard and the recommendation of Servicenow,
Mm-hmm.
you should have your
Mm-hmm.
own update set. Or you should not touch your default update set. So you could see
Mm-hmm.
on clicking on this gear button. Under update set, the by default update set has been selected, right?
Yes.
But according to recommendation and the standard of Servicenow, you should create your own update set and you should capture your all the customization under that update set. Okay.
Okay.
So let's create first your update set. Then only let's proceed with your application creation and all. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So to create any update set, you require to find, you require to search update set here in left navigation. Under that you will see the different options. Update source is nothing but I'm going to tell you the reason of different links, modules here, but as in current scope, we are going to create only one update set. Thereafter, in future, I'm going to cover this application. Okay.
Okay.
But as of now, we have only one requirement, like we need to create our update set. So you could see only one update set is created till now, and which is nothing but is of out of box, which is nothing but default one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So to do any customization, you require to create new update set, right? So let's what do you want to give name to this update set?
My update set. So this update set will be used for all the applications that we are creating, right?
Yeah, whatever the customization you are going to do going forward, it will be captured in this update set, and thereafter once we're done with one application, I'll show you how to move that update set to other instance. I'll be creating one instance to show that particular stuff. Okay.
Okay.
So under update set, you will see the different fields, like name will be there, state will be there. You don't have to care about release date. Okay. It will be automatic. You don't require to do that. And in description, why description field is there? In order to describe what are the changes are there in your update set. Okay.
Okay.
And once you hit on submit button, it will store that update set, but it will not set your update set as a current update set. Then you require to explicitly go there in update set. Then you require to choose that as my current update set. Okay. And now other button is there, submit and make current. That means this button will
this will be the default update set then.
This will make you this button will make this newly created update set as the default update set for your ID. Okay. Yes. So that whenever you are doing any customization, those customization will be captured in your own update set. Okay.
Yes.
So thereafter you could see here under state you will find 3 states called in progress, complete and ignore. Okay. So in progress in the sense that the update set is open and you are working on that. Number of customization are getting captured in that particular update set.
Okay.
Okay. Complete in the sense you have done with all the customization, and now what do you want to do? You want to move that update set from one instance to other instance. From dev instance to test instance, or might be from test or wherever you want to move that customization. Okay. That means whenever you want to move any update set to other instance, you need to change state to complete first. Okay. So
Okay.
that's the first step. And let's say for just testing purpose or for R&D purpose, you are doing some customization, and you want to capture those changes in your update set, and
Yes,
you don't
ignore.
want, okay, and you don't want to move that update set to other instance even, and let's say there might be case happen, right? Like you don't even, I mean, you don't want to move those changes to other instance, but accidentally you might move those changes to other instance, right? So avoid
Yes.
that kind of accident. We have another state called ignore.
Okay.
Okay, ignore in the sense what it will do, it will suggest you like these are the things and these are the changes that you don't want to move to other instance.
Okay.
Okay. So this will work like this. So initial state will be in progress. That means you are working on this. Okay. And submit and make current. You understood those concepts, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you understood the concept of my update set. So now you can see my update set is created, and under this, once you click on here, you will see in update set, my update set is refreshed here.
Default.
I mean, whatever the changes you are going to do going forward, those will be captured here.
Okay.
So as we created my application, right, ticket management, let's update that so that those changes will be captured in that update set. So what are the things you are creating, or what are the things that you are updating will be captured in your update set. Okay.
Okay.
So we just created application, right? So we can update that so that those will be captured in your update set. Application menus, yeah, here it is. So you understood all the concept like active and active false and active true.
Yes.
What I did, I just deactivated that and I'm reactivating it. That means what, one update operation will happen, right? So
Yes.
what are the so I just did update, so this change will be captured there. I could show you that. Now you could see one customer updates related list is there, and under that you could see application. This what are the changes we did, right? So those will be captured here. Those are captured here. And now, now once you complete this updates and move to other instance, this application will be created there. Okay.
Okay.
So similarly, if you want to see what are the changes, I mean what are the changes are captured in your update set, you could see one I option here, right? Your current update set. Once you hit on that, then it will move navigate you to that update set. Under that update set, you could see customer update one list. Under that, you will see what are the changes are captured in this particular update set.
Okay.
Okay. Now what happened? Application is got captured in this update set. Now what we need to do? We need to create one table, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. To create any table, what we need to do?
Table.
Under system
definition.
Yeah.
Tables.
Yeah. So yeah. So we are going to give ticket, right? Or tickets. Let's keep it. Ticket. So it will generate one name.
U underscore tickets.
What is that U underscore mean?
Prefix. User created table.
Exactly. What are the changes you are creating? What are the I mean, what are the fields or what are the tables you are creating, right? So those fields and those table will be prefixed with U. That means user has created that. Those table has been created by user. In order to differentiate between out-of-box fields and tables, they have introduced this particular functionality. Like, I mean, whenever user is creating any table or any field, then those field will be prefixed with U underscore. And let's say you want to differentiate between out-of-box fields and your custom field, then you could see there are some fields those are not prefixed with U underscore. That means those fields are out-of-box one.
Okay.
Okay. So I was talking about create module checkbox. So what it signifies?
It will automatically create one module for this table if we create the checkbox, if we click the checkbox.
Yes. So do you want to create any module? No, right?
Yeah, I think
yeah,
yes.
we will. Yeah, we will create that module, but okay, that's fine. So
at this time, it is not necessary to create from table.
Sorry?
No, at this time it is not necessary to create from the table menu. We can create directly.
Yeah, from here also we can do that. Like we have created one ticket management application, right? So I can search here in ticket management. So it will create one module under this application.
Yes.
So it will show up the list. So we don't want that. We want we want to create one application, one module which will create one ticket, right?
Yes.
So so currently we don't require this. So let it. Okay. So you understood the concept of exchange table?
Yeah.
Okay. What it will do?
Inheritance, like we can inherit any other table, access credentials to this table, like behavior.
Okay. So it will inherit all the fields of the extended table, right?
Yes.
Okay. So under that columns, you understood the columns concept, right? So column is nothing but the field on a form in case of Servicenow. So whenever you want to create any field on your form, then you require to create one column in your table. Okay. Then controls. What is that extensible?
It will the table can be extendable.
Yes, whenever, let's say there might be case like you want to extend this table with other table, right? That other table might require the properties that we are going to define for this particular table, right? So if you want to make it extendable, you require to check this checkbox. Thereafter, do you remember that auto number stub?
Yes, it's a sequence number generator.
So we need that, like, right?
Yes.
Because we need to define ticket. Okay. So prefix and all you can change from here. Otherwise, you have other option called number maintenance, right? I was talking about number maintenance also.
Okay.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so you can go in. I was talking about number maintenance, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you can go in number maintenance. You can search with your table name. You will see that one record, and if you want to change any prefix or number of digit, you can change from there. Okay.
Yes.
What is that create access control?
Create access control.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will create access to the specified user.
Yeah. So by default, it will create one user based on your table name, right? Like you underscore ticket and all. So you could change that by clicking here. Like you can give any name. To whom you want to get access and all. So you can maintain from here.
Okay.
If you want to do any, if you want to create anything from here, we can check this. We don't want to create any access rule because we are going to cover that part in separate session called access rule. Then application access. So we talked about this also, right?
Yes, for ACLS, create, update, delete.
What it mean?
Yeah, this table can only read or can create anything, or can update or can delete.
Yeah, from the other application, right?
Yes.
So in this particular application, you can do anything with this particular, but what from the other application?
Okay.
What access the people should have? They should read, they should create, they should update, or they should delete. Those can be controlled by using these stuffs. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, and web services and allow configuration, I'll be telling you. Allow configuration in the
for
sense,
integration purpose.
Yeah, allow configuration in the sense if you want to design that form in other application also, then you require to check that checkbox, right?
Okay. Yes.
And that web service is for integration purpose. So you understood all the fields that we have on a form, a table creation form, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me submit that now. Now first table is created called tickets.
Wow.
Yeah, so the ticket is created.
Yes.
So you could see some of the basic columns are created. Yeah, under columns list, you could see there are some columns like created by, created, sysid, updates, updated by, updated, and number. Those will be created automatically.
Okay.
So I was talking about 7 columns, right? Just day before, in last session. Those 7 fields are nothing but these. Whenever you are creating any table, this automatically system fields will be created in order to ask who has created that record. Okay, what is the ID of that record? Sys ID is nothing but 32-bit, 32-bit string, okay, which will differentiate all the records from, all the records in Servicenow. Like in Java, we have a unique key and all, right? In database and all, we have unique key. Similarly, in Servicenow, for any record, they will be, it will be having one single unique key called sys ID. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, so sys ID will be a string of 32 bit, and which will be unique throughout the instance. It won't be, it will not be a duplicate in any case, even in worst scenario or in best case, it won't be duplicate one. And whenever there is a duplication, that means, let's say I'm importing any record, inserting any record which has same sys ID, that means it will, let's say there is something already exists and you are doing something on that from external source, then it will be update that record. It won't insert any similar kind of record, or whenever if we are trying to enforce that to insert, then it will throw error like this particular record is already exist. Okay, so sys ID is nothing but 32-bit unique key for Servicenow instance. Okay, and the updated by field will track who has updated that. Updates will track how many times this particular record is updated, and updated will time the updated will capture the timestamp at what that particular, it will capture the timestamp at timestamp of last update. Okay, at or like like there is one record which is updated, okay, yesterday, so it will capture that date of yesterday, okay. Similarly with created, it will capture when the record is created, okay.
Okay.
So you understood all the fields, and the number is nothing but, you know, right, like it will hold some prefix and some number, so it will be string.
Yeah, just wondered. Just can you explain me again about SysID?
Yeah, SysID will be unique ID. It will be throughout the instance. It won't be duplicate one ever. Okay.
For every table, yeah.
For every table, for everything in the service now, there is a one ID defined called service SysID, which will be of 32-bit.
Yeah, in this case it is the per table, no?
Huh?
In this case, this is ID for table.
Yes, in this case, SysID will be for table, but SysID will be for everything. Okay, so you just have created this table. So this table also has one SysID, because in table, when you clicked on tables, right? So it show up some records, which is nothing but those are records from some table, right?
Yes.
This is nothing from table. I mean table, and you have created one table on top of that table, right? Right. So this table, like your table, and just we created tickets, right? Ticket also has some SysID. You could see that. Just click on this, and here you will have one option called copy SysID. So this SysID is nothing but SysID of your table.
Okay.
Okay. So you understood the concept of SysID, right?
Yes.
So below that we have under related links we have number of options, like design form is there, layout form is there, like layout list is there, show form is there, show list is there, show schema map is there, add service catalog, track in update set. These are the options. These are the things are there available, right? So let's design form or layout form.